How good that looks. Yum. Yum, yum, yummity, yum, yum, yum. Yeah. Look at that. Yum. All right, so let's get into these ingredients. You guys would have saw the intro. You would have saw how delicious these pork neck bones look braised. The rice that's with it, and also the gravy, how the gravy was made. So these are the ingredients that we're using in the pork neck bone braised. We have some minced garlic, we have some onions, cilantro, parsley, bay leaf, thyme, we have carrots, we have potato, we have peppers. So that is what's going in there. This is seasoned with salt, black pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, and the complete tropical, the Sazon tropical season that I've been showing you guys. And all we're gonna do is brown these up. We're gonna brown them up, then we're gonna remove them from the pot, add all the vegetables, stir it up, and then throw the meat back in there with some stock, water, whatever stocks you wanna use. I'm using water today because I didn't make any stock or buy stock. So let's get into it. Gotta brown the other side. That was the first batch browned. Taking up the second batch. Look at that beautiful color. Put neck bones back to the pot. Add the bay leaves. That is good. I'm gonna let this come to a boil. That's just regular water. You can use beef stock or vegetable stock, whatever you have available. I have water available, so I added enough water just to cover it, like just to cover it. I don't want it to be in too much water. That comes to a boil. I'm gonna put it on low and cover it. All right. So in this pot, we are making some rice. I cleaned the rice thoroughly, and then I added a little water mixed in with coconut milk. And then we have some thyme, some scallion, and cilantro. So I'm just making a coconut cilantro rice. Skim off the oil. All right. This is all done. Oh, I'm tired. I cannot wait to go lay down. Look how nice that sauce looks. Look at that. Look how good that looks. Yum. Yum, yum, yummity, yum, 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 yum. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Our cilantro, coconut cilantro rice is done. I'm gonna plate up, show you guys what we're working with. Yep. How good that looks. Pork neck bone is nice and tender. I'm about to show you how tender that is. Look at that. Okay now. Alright now, don't be falling off the plate. Falling to my mouth, not the plate, not off the plate. Look at that. So tender. Look at that. Yum. Take a bite. How the meat, just look, the meat don't even want to stay on the bone.